Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change shape outline thickness in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document with shape and outline. Now you can see here are my document with shape. Now I change shape outline thickness in this document. At first you have to select this shape, then go to edit option. Now you can see here are windows like this. Now again select this shape. Now you can see here are border weight option, just press it. Now you can change any type of border white. Now I change it to 24 pixel, then press save and close. Now click outside that shape. Now you can see I change shape outline thickness in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.